Fears poses a question for you. What happened 65 million years ago? I mean, that was a long time ago. Dinosaurs happened. That's what happened. Dinosaurs. One of the greatest animals that ever walked the earth. That's right. Fears is going to Dinosaur Quest. Let's do it.
Access granted.
Jurassic Quest. You gotta go right through these doors. And Fears is about to head in about 2 seconds. All right, here we go. Oh, nice. Oh, Lord. Look at this. Everybody sees the traditional dinosaurs, but these are dinosaurs from the water. Look at these guys. Look at this. Now, this looks like a big snail, but apparently this is a dinosaur. It's just a water dinosaur. Dun 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 dun. This ain't a dinosaur. This is Jaws. Well, technically, guys, look how big this mother is. Technically, this is a dinosaur. The name of this dinosaur is. It is a. If they show it, I think it's a megalodon. I think is how you pronounce it. A megalodon. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. This is quite the big turtle. That guy is massive. How do you measure up against a T-Rex? Well, let's find out. That is a big footprint. Here we go. Oh my gosh, look how little my foot is compared to the footprint. Continue on the tour. I just walked outside, guys, and this is what they have outside. And it goes all the way down there and up and around. Triceratops getting eaten by little dinosaurs. There he is. The Triceratops. He was featured in Jurassic Park in #1. Oh wow, these guys are huge. Look at that guy over there. Wow. Just picture standing next to one of these guys like 65 billion years ago. Meet walking dinosaurs. Oh, wow.
Diego is very friendly.
Diego.
Also very smart. He's a Utah raptor. They're one of the biggest of the raptor family. They have a very big brain. Diego.
And he's got a lot of fur. He's got a lot of fur. Oh, wow.
You see? Touch.
Well, that's good.
You guys have been doing a good job washing your hands.
Because I like my hands.
Smell like lunch, I hope.
I like my hands. I don't want to get gnawed on. Hey, buddy. What's up? What is up? Good to see you, buddy. Very, very cool. The king of the jungle. Back in 65 million year Jurassic Park style. Look at that Tyrannosaurus Rex. I'm standing right under his neck. So if he bent down, that would be the end of Fears. That would be the end of Fears as we know it. And for all you guys that don't know this, Tyrannosaurs, their vision is based on movement. So if I stood still, I'd probably be all right. But I wanted to try my new hat out in a vlog. Let me know if you guys like the hat. Yay or nay on the new hat. And this is, I'll be honest, this is the first time Fears has bought like a proper hat. Because normally I buy a bunch of baseball caps or a dress hat. And they're not really proper. This is a proper hat. Like this hat was quite a bit of money. So, anyway, let me know in the comments if you yay or nay on the hat. But Jurassic Quest, thumbs up. B+, that's my rating. Pretty good for families, pretty good if you've got nothing to do on a Saturday afternoon. Come and check out some dinosaurs. Life-size dinosaurs, mind you. Pretty cool show. BK Lounge. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh yeah, delish. French fries. I want to thank Jurassic Quest for letting me come and film at their convention. Lots of fun. Check them out on all their websites. They've got a Twitter. They've got an Instagram. Just write in Jurassic Quest. Check them out for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to FearsMan26 and Fears Vlogs on YouTube. Check me out on the old TikTokage at FearsMan26. And this is Fears. And this is BK Lounge. And I'll see you later.